Members of Parliament, good morning. Welcome to today's parliamentary sitting. Today on the agenda is the demolition of homes and businesses in Uganda wetland by NEMA and KCCA this week. More than 300 buildings were demolished and over 1,000 people displaced. In the House, we have officials from NEMA and KCCA this week. Plenary is now open. Honorable Joel Senyoni, please say something.
What happened in Luigi was very sad. Where was NEMA when all these people got trapped in the wetlands? KCCA and NEMA approved these buildings. Why did they let them put up structures only for them to come and break down the buildings? Was government sleeping on that rope? When I went there with my team to check on our people, we were showered with tear gas. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Right, Honorable Speaker. I am trying to paint a picture of a mother who has just taken her children to school and returns to find her home demolished. Some of us are privileged in society, but where love man face, we should competently these people and prevent further encroachment. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.